Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The police have reported that 4 men were yesterday nabbed in Kingston while attempting to flee the scene of a shooting in a Toyota Probox bearing a Jamaica government license plate, which was not assigned to it. 1 Smith & Wesson and 1 Glock pistol were also seized during the incident, the police said. According to the Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, the men traveling in the vehicle opened gunfire hitting several people at the intersection of Law Street and George's Lane about 6 p.m. CCU further reported that police officers on patrol in the area heard loud explosions and went to investigate. Upon reaching the intersection, citizens pointed out the vehicle with 4 men aboard making their escape, said CCU, adding that the lawmen then intercepted the motor car and took the 4 men into custody. The men's identities are being withheld pending further investigations.
Right above you police gas station. Around about. Police around down, man. We car out of the way, turn over. A gunman them. But that's serious, I'm gonna ram him. I'm gonna see him, I'm gonna ram him. And I can't even see the smoke the bus, you know. Hey, yo, they get running on me now. The cat ain't get running on me. And the bicycle man, they are growing. Bicycle man, they are growing. I know, so the liquor, the car man. Liquor car man, don't set up. Why the man are serious? Why the man are ram the man in the bus? The police are serious. The police are serious. The police are serious, they want to ram the man. Gunman, they say a gunman is the final gun in there.
A lie.
Can't say they say a gunman then. One way of this now. Carry him,
I take them shot to keep up flame down there. Don't forget some clicking at the head with gun. Why don't forget some stick at the head with gun? I'll go on. Why the policeman is serious? Why don't do this summer? Why not serious stuff, Lord, man? Ram it, what's your man doing? Ram it, man, them. The man is serious. Man, they lick the man with that post. Crime scene, crime scene. Yeah, man. Big up on